press the bell icon and never miss any update from BSSJ.
Please enable CC or closed captions.
Hello friends, my name is Bigger Smile and welcome to Bigger Smile SJ. Here is a new hacking video in my channel. In this video I am going to show the Wallhack of COD4 2018 update. It is updated version, so in this version you will get more features. No teammates will see in Chams, so it's easy to identify enemy. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. And for prevent crashes, play in window mode, steps are in the description link. Method is still same as previous, just have to download new DLL file, link in the description. Download required files from the description. Open DLL Injector and load DLL. Open COD4 game. You will find Aimbot in the DLL Injector. Select Aimbot and click on Inject. It's done. You are ready to play. I am playing with laptop touchpad, so it's bad gameplay. So this is for now. For more hacking and tutorial videos, subscribe my channel. For any problem, meet me at my Facebook play. I am Bigger Smile and I am signing off. Bye.
Destroy.